Hi, and welcome to Procurement from A to Z course. In this course, we share real-life examples and best practices in the procurement field. This is a practical course with practical experience as we tell the story of what is going on the procurement field in real life and how to handle all requests you receive from A to Z. You can use this course to kick off your procurement career or enhance your current position at your company. This course will help you move up the ladder with practical experience and best practices as we provide real-life examples, knowledge, tools, templates, email scripts, and a big bonus pack at the end of this course. This course includes 4 main parts. Part 1, Procurement Basics and Fundamentals. This part discusses the introduction to procurement, supply chain umbrella, and procure-to-pay cycle. Part 2 is the procurement management. We have 6 modules in this part: tender management, sourcing management, vendor relationship management, contract management, stakeholder management, and category management. Part 3 of this course is the procurement soft and technical skills that you need to master as a procurement professional. This includes negotiation skills, communication skills, proposal analysis skills, time management skills, and project management skills. The final part of this course is the procurement knowledge base. We will discuss technology and procurement, the INCOTERMS, and finally the procurement ethics. Now, the bonus pack of this course includes the course summary book, course infographics, course templates, email scripts, procurement terminology glossary, 20+ cases study, interview preparation. It has 60+ procurement job interview questions and answers, 20+ common procurement challenges and their solution, INCOTERMS 2020 wall chart, a CV cover letter, and a CV template for procurement officer up to procurement manager. Of course, all supporting documents, templates, and scripts are in a downloadable, editable format you can use at your own convenience. So let's summarize. This course has 4 main sections, 14 modules, 178 sub-modules in high-definition videos, 11+ hours of recordings, 11 bonus packs, a certificate of completion at the end of this course updates for life, and finally we have one-on-one coaching to help you prepare your tender analysis and final report to present it to upper management for decision making. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this course. I look forward to seeing you in the next module.